Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for the day is from Keith Haronilla. She asks, what is the average payback period in renting out your property? Payback period is the amount of time it takes to recover the cost of an investment, or the amount of initial investment divided by the annual cash flow. I tend not to use the payback period for several reasons. One, it doesn't take into consideration the time value of money. Remember that cash today is worth more than tomorrow. Two, it doesn't take into account capital appreciation, which is the biggest wealth generator. Three, cash flow can be very complex, especially over the course of more than a decade. And it is hard to capture that with the simple formula of the payback period. Instead, I focus on capital appreciation and look at areas with great fundamentals. Locations that have significant commercial and infrastructure projects now and in the future. For rent, I focus on ways to improve gross rental yield or annual rental income divided by the cost of the property. This will guide you if the improvements you make to your property will be worth it. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.